Why is triangle BCE isosceles? In this video, we start with a right triangle noted ABC, right angled at point B. From point B, we draw a median that intersects the opposite side AC at point E. Our goal is to prove that triangle BCE is an isosceles triangle. We drop a perpendicular from point E onto side BC, and we call the foot of this perpendicular point D. This creates two parallel lines, line AB and line ED. These two parallel lines are intersected by the two secant lines AC and BC. Since lines AB and ED are parallel and AC and BC are secant lines, Thales' theorem applies. According to Thales' theorem, we obtain the equality of lengths ratios. EC divided by A equals DC divided by BD equals ED divided by AB. We focus on the first two ratios. By cross multiplication, we obtain AE multiplied by DC equals EC multiplied by BD. Because BE is a median, point E is the midpoint of segment AC. This means that the length EC is equal to the length AE. By substituting EC with AE in the previous equality, we obtain AE multiplied by DC equals AE multiplied by BD. Since AE is common on both sides, we deduce that DC is equal to BD. We keep this important result in mind. Now we consider triangles BDE and CDE. These two triangles are right triangles because D is the perpendicular projection of E onto BC. They share the common side ED. We also know that BD is equal to DC. Since the two triangles have a right angle, one equal leg ED and another equal leg BD equals DC, then the two triangles are identical. Because the triangles are identical, their corresponding sides are equal. This implies that the length BE is equal to the length CE. Therefore, triangle BCE is an isosceles triangle. A simple construction, a clever use of Thales' theorem, and basic triangle properties are enough to reveal this elegant result. If you learned from this geometric proof, like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the notifications bell, and share it with someone who loves beautiful mathematics. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.